We divide 369 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 9 and it is 19. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting, we get 4. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting, we get 0. So 369 divided by 5 is 73.8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.